think
must
he
be very
was
special moment
yeah,
for
it
you.
was because he called up my colleague and he said like मारे H2 लेવું છે and sorry this was Gujarati but
That's
मेरे
okay.
को H2 लेना है and like and my colleague is like यार कौन पका रहा है यार कि H2 लेने का इसको देखा रुक उसको
खिलौना थोड़ी है।
उसको मैं बताता हूँ क्या है H2 पैसा
हाँ,
वैसा देख के ये सेंड द प्राइस ये वो कि सर
हाँ।
42 40 I think
स्लाइटली
48
ट्राइंग कि
lakhs
यार सी
या
ये
करीब
है,
हाँ
ले
44
सकोगे या नहीं।
45 lakhs का कोटेशन भेजा उसको ये ना so he said के मारे जो भी I want to see the bike I want to so these are flagship bikes you don't
Get to see
get to
in the
see one
showrooms.
but luckily we had sold a few in Gujarat
Hmm.
and
Probably
the
8 or 9.
weekend I think good enough numbers I think
Hmm.
about I think they're
That
in
is
double
impressive
digit
number for this price
yeah of
range.
course and we were getting one in service
Hmm.
so I called him and said like I can show you I can make you sit on it
Hmm.
and I can
But can't
probably
drive.
switch on the
Hmm.
bike you can
Hmm.
feel it but I can't
Hmm.
let you ride
Hmm.
it he's
Exactly.
like
That's a very
uh,
general
he
practice
yeah,
we
yeah,
do
yeah.
follow.
He's like I'll
Hmm.
drive up
Hmm.
to Ahmedabad and I will come he came and he saw he sat he looked he felt the bike looked at it okay then that is the first time I met him and he was about 50 45 50 years old and
Okay.
yeah, well built
Hmm.
uh, uh, you can say that he had this he had a Hrithik Roshan like physique at that age. Okay,
Okay.
very fit,
Okay.
and देख के ही ऐसा लगा रहे हैं कि यार ये बंदे पे सूट करेगा having that
Hmm. I want to sell him.
yeah 6 foot height है
Hmm.
well built
Hmm.
and but yet gray hair and all like चलो हो गए शौकीन आदमी है बाइक वाइक देखा सब किया ठीक है मैं बताता हूँ ये क्या है ये तो चला गया मैं मेरे कलीग को बोला मेरे देख टाइम पास करना है H2 देखना आया था फोटो वोटो और सरप्राइजिंगली ही डिडंट क्लिक पिक्चर्स ऑफ हिम तो
हाँ,
यूजुअली क्या होता है ना अरे सर मेरा फोटो क्लिक करके
हाँ,
दिखाओ
जो
मैं
लोग
कैसे
शो
दिख
ऑफ
रहा
के लिए
हूँ
आते हैं, so that is a pretty
मेरे को
common.
फिर वो
Not
पोस्ट डाल
everyone, but
देंगे
yeah, it's
नॉट
common.
एवरीबॉडी बट या
Hmm.
यू क्लिक अ पिक्चर मतलब कुछ भी नहीं अबाउट 2-3 days later he said like क्या रे मतलब कब मिल सकती है बाइक if I book the bike or if I make you a payment
Hmm.
what is so we told said we need to order the bike and funny part we had one in stock in our in Orissa so we had
Hmm.
owners from Orissa they had Kawasaki in Orissa also so they had it in stock
Hmm.
और मैं बोला सर मेरे पास स्टॉक में है I just have to ship it from Orissa to Gujarat.
Ahmedabad. Hmm.
And he's like, ठीक है तो हूँ पैसा नाखું છું. And I think that time it was ex-showroom was about 36 lakhs, 3699 or
So this is
3599.
H2, not H2R.
No, the standard
Hmm.
H2, but that was
Hmm.
Gen 2 H2, the only H2
Okay.
that came
With that
with a
self-healing paint?
yes, the
Hmm.
self-healing paint and used to come with a 248 HP power.
Yes.
So that was the only bike. So that makes it a unicorn. It's actually a unicorn. वो ये बहुत कम लोगों को मालूम है. I think in that era, this is pre-COVID era 2019 because उसके बाद COVID आ गया था.
Yes.
That time I remember I think Kawasaki sold about 4 or 5 examples of this particular bike self-healing paint and
Hmm.
a little slightly bumped up because the standard H2 they come out with 230 HP power. This was
Hmm.
248 self-healing paint and so it was like not Gen 2 but thoda briefly modified
Hmm.
engine and after we sold it we got to know that this was it so yeah he's like ठीक है हूँ मैं पैसा डाल रहा हूँ
Hmm.
आप you
Typical Gujarati thing.
share
I'll send you the payment.
yeah मैं भेजता हूँ पेमेंट we were
Hmm.
expecting 2 lakh बुकिंग अमाउंट क्या ही
Hmm.
देगा आदमी 1 लाख 2 लाख
Hmm.
रुपए ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या ही
Hmm.
देगा
Hmm.
5 लाख देगा उससे ज्यादा
Hmm.
तो मैंने नहीं देखे कि मैं
One
लाइफ में
shot
बुकिंग
payment he
अमाउंट
did.
next he sends me a photograph of a manual RTGS from his cooperative bank
Was it a one shot
yeah
payment?
it was 36.19 and about the ex showroom
Yes.
and I was like and then he casually calls me कि विराज भाई मैंने आपको पेमेंट कर दिया है एक्स शोरूम का बाकी का मैं ना 2-3 दिन में कर दूं तो चलेगा क्या एंड आई वाज लाइक हाँ हाँ
चलेगा।
क्यों नहीं चलेगा दौड़ेगा सर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मैं मंगा लेता हूँ दैट ट्रिगर and then that's how I we both my colleague and we were looking at each other I was like क्या हो गया and I was like and that was actually first
Yes,
time he sold a
yes,
super bike to somebody
yes, yes.
he's like मैं बोला बॉस तूने एक पिनाकल बाइक बेची है बाइकिंग in the whole motorcycling world
Yes,
so
yes, yes.
you should be proud of yourself
Yes.
like
I had this very same moment, but इसको फिर अगर बात करेंगे तो और वो लंबा हो जाएगा.
जी
But anyways, I have just saying this last line
yeah.
that I have sell motorcycles to Gujaratis and non-Gujaratis, but this point, कि ठीक है मैं आपको पैसा बेचता हूँ
हाँ
and when you see oh ये
हाँ
तो पूरा आ गया.
पूरा आ गया yeah
We were
बिल्कुल
not
चलो
expecting this.
expecting it of course
And
of course
this is something what I have seen कि ये audience थोड़ी सी वैसी है जिसके पास पैसा है. It is not that show of audience.
yeah
It is clear. उनको पता है कि मैं क्या ले रहा हूँ क्यों ले रहा हूँ और मैं इसके साथ क्या करने वाला हूँ और मेरे पास काफी टाइम से उतना पैसा है.
correct
Well
very
thinking,
very
well
true
planned,
very very
and
very
very
true
rich type of
so
people.
this gentleman na had the same idea
Exactly.
उनको इनको बड़ा क्लियर था कि मुझे H2 लेना है
Exactly.
he has
And
been
even you just sorry to interrupt, but आपने कहा कि he saw the motorcycle, went, took 2 to 3
Yeah.
days of time. That means he is processing.
correct
He is thinking. He has the money. He knows that he wants a fascinating motorcycle. which completes like sit on this specific model or variant कि हाँ ये मेरा नीड पूरा करेगा. उन्हें पता है उनके पास वो पैसा है उनके पास एक्सपीरियंस भी है बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट maybe a young buyer.
the final thought कि कि मुझे should I go ahead with it should I
Exactly.
take it should I
Exactly.
finally should I move ahead and
Exactly.
make the
ये
payment
प्रोसेसिंग बहुत
बहुत
इंपॉर्टेंट है.
important
इवन इफ यू आर यंग राइडर और इवन इफ यू आर मैच्योर्ड राइडर आप एंट्री लेवल ले रहे हो बड़ी बाइक ले रहे हो डजंट मैटर
Man, absolutely
बट
doesn't matter.
इट शुड बी वेरी क्लियर even if
What
you are
you
clear. Yes,
what
exactly.
you want
exactly.
is वो clarity अगर रहती है ना तो it makes
हाँ.
our life as as dealers or in that matters people catering this kind of needs
Exactly.
very easy because then we can
उनके लिए भी
pinpoint
फिर उतना ही इजी होता है.
pinpoint कर सकते हैं ना कि सर नहीं ये आपको ये गलत है ये आप नहीं
Exactly.
ले सकते
Exactly.
या
फिर
फिर
सामने
ये
कुछ
हाँ कि this is the right or this is not the right one this is the right one
right.
you can help them choose and make sure that they are happy at the end of the day
फिर कुछ ऐसे कस्टमर्स भी है ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं दिस आर वेरी रेयर बट even I had one customer won't take his name who was again and again coming to BMW. Okay, and his mind is like मुझे BMW लेना है but I studied him. I used to study every customer just like probably you are also been doing that कि उसे क्या पसंद है या फिर व्हाट इज हिज लिस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. तो इट इज अ वेरी कॉमन प्रैक्टिस. हम पढ़ते हैं कस्टमर को कि भाई उसे क्या सही रहेगा उसके पर्पस के हिसाब से. So this customer was used to again and again and again come to my dealership. He was from Rajkot.
Oh,
okay. And I was working in Ahmedabad. We were not having our showroom in Rajkot at that time. We used to go for sales events and all.
correct
But that type of people वो बार बार आके मुझे 310 आ लेना है मुझे 310 आ लेना है. ओके आर नहीं मुझे GS लेना है. एंड आई एम लाइक सर आप जो स्मूथनेस मांग रहे हो ठीक है आपको जो सिम्फनी चाहिए वो आप इसके लिए आप इस में मत जाओ. आई विल रेकमेंड टू यू कि आप जाओ और जाके निंजा 300 परचेस करो क्योंकि वो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट को शायद बेटर तरीके से फुलफिल करेगा.
करेक्ट.
एंड दिस इज लाइक मैंने इनडायरेक्टली उनको पिच किया थोड़ा सा डायरेक्टली किया एंड स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली ऑन टेबल आई सेड दैट सर I'm sorry to say, but I won't be able to sell you this motorcycle. And even if you have money, I will recommend कि go with the Ninja 300. It is not because आई डोंट वांट टू सेल यू मोटरसाइकिल, बट इट इज बिकॉज कि आपके लिए वो ज्यादा सही
ज्यादा
है.
बेटर है, सही है.
आई डोंट वांट यू टू बाय अ मोटरसाइकिल एंड रिग्रेट इट लेटर
करेक्ट.
कि मैंने तो बेच लिया, अपना
Yeah,
इंसेंटिव ले लिया, या
correct,
फिर आई हिटेड द टारगेट और
correct.
व्हाटसएवर. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट फ्यू कस्टमर्स येट डू कि पोस्ट प्रोसेसिंग या फिर उतना प्रोसेसिंग नहीं करते, जबकि वही सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, राइट? इवन इफ यू हैव मनी एंड चॉइस एंड एवरीथिंग.